Hey y'all, I'm wanting me a little snack today, and I thought I'd roast me some peanuts, or parch them. That's what I call it, parched peanuts. You start off with raw peanuts, and you roast them at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And I'm just putting them in a cast iron pan. It's a good little healthy snack, if you can eat peanuts. I know there's a lot of people that's allergic to peanuts, peanut allergies. And when I was young, I never heard tell of people with peanut allergies or any kind of nut allergy. I'm 53. Never in my life till just like the last few years. So don't attempt this if you have a peanut allergy. But I was watching another lady on YouTube the other day that I subscribed to her channel, Cooking with Brenda Gant. She roasts or parches her peanuts out of the shell. Some people do that, but my mom used to do this when I was little, and that's memories of when I was little, parching these peanuts like this. And the smell is so wonderful when they're baking, roasting, parching. Anyway, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. And cook them for like 30 minutes. I think that's what it says on the bag, actually. Place peanuts on a single layer baking sheet. Preheat oven 350. Bake 20 to 25 minutes to taste. I usually do 30. You can tell when they're done. You can smell them. You don't want to burn them. Yeah, this is a healthy snack. I have them quite often. Almost every night. This brand comes in roasted and salted also. So if you don't like the raw. But yeah, I'm going to get ready to put these in the oven and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, I'm back. The peanuts are almost done. They're getting ready to come out. But I thought I'd read the protein that's in the peanuts. There's 15 servings per container in this. A fourth a cup of peanuts is, where'd it go? 8 grams of protein. 15 grams of fat, good fats. And 5 grams of carbs. They're good for you. They're healthy. It's a good snack to have when you're going to have a snow, like we're getting ready to have another one this weekend. Another one. We just had one last weekend. The ice is still here. We're going to get 3-4 inches maybe. Yeah. Horrible. Here they are. They smell so good. When you start smelling them, they're done. Take them out of the oven or they will burn. I gotta let them cool a minute. Yeah, this is a perfect little snack when you're snowed in. They're hot. Brings back childhood memories. So good. Alright, y'all. I'm going to go and wait on the snow. Thanks for watching. Bye.